What the heck, guys? I discovered how to get Google Play Store on iPhone, and in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to get it on your iPhone as well. So let me just show you guys right here. As you can see, Google Play Store, we can open it and it will work and it will be great. So here it is. This is the real Google Play Store for Android, and I'm going to show you guys how to get it on your iPhone. So what we need to do is go ahead and go to this website. Let me just type it in right here. It's called zoomods.com, and they have all these modded apps on this site, guys. It is super insane. So once you're on the site, just go to the search bar and type in Play Store, and as you can see, it says Google Play Store right there. So press this green download button and it will start to download. So that's how you get it onto your device. Basically, it is super cool, and there's some apps out there that are never coming to the App Store. They're only on the Play Store, so that's why you need it on your device. So let's just wait for this to download here. As you can see, all right, so anyway, before it can download, there is one more step, which is a verification, guys, but it's pretty easy. So we got to download some apps. You can see it says please install 2 free apps to automatically install. So there's 4 of them. We got Flip, High Five, W Golf, but you might see different apps depending where you live. That's totally fine. So just press tap to install. It'll bring you to the App Store, and you just got to download 2 of the apps. So make sure you guys read the instructions. W Golf says install and reach level 10, but Flip says down and run for 30 seconds. So they're not all the same, and that's totally fine because it's just different types of verification, I guess. So after you're done, guys, you will have Play Store on iOS, and it will be working for you. As you can see, I have the fully working Google Play Store. I mean, this is super insane. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you guys are interested in downloading the Play Store for your iPhone, because this will be fully updated and it works.